Hey, what's up, family? Today we back in the stew with another video. This one might be on the shorter side. Hey, I'm not even gonna drag it, bro. It is what it is. Leave a like on this one. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bells because we on road to 20K and we've been posting more consistently, so make sure you show some love. But with all that being said, today we're gonna talk about Supreme Week 7. We have the retails out and some of the prices shocked me. I thought these shits was gonna go for hella bread, and some of the pieces are actually kind of affordable, so we're gonna talk about it in a little bit. But hey, let's waste no time and get straight to it. So basically we're gonna go ahead, hop onto the computer and see what these items are looking like, what these prices are looking like. Most importantly, I still don't know what I'm going for, but hopefully there's something worth it. Let's hop into the screen real quick and see if there's anything new worth going for. Leave a like on this video, subscribe. Let's get straight to it. So right here we got the 7th drop list for Supreme. Yesterday I covered some of these items, so I'm not really going to talk about them in too much detail. If y'all trying to see all that, go to yesterday's video. I was wrong on the price on this. I thought it was going to be $468, $398. It's still kind of close, bruh. Come on, $400, $450 after taxes and shit. It's still going to be $450, so don't judge me, bruh. One of the prices that really threw me off guard was the espresso set. I wasn't expecting this shit to be $48 for two. Low-key for one, maybe knowing Supreme, but $48 for a set of two probably isn't that bad. These are made out of porcelain and they're scratch resistant or whatever, but hey, I guess that's cool. Let me know if y'all gonna be going for the little espresso cups. I think I'm still gonna sleep on them, honestly. We do got the second to none MA1 jacket. This one comes in 3 different colorways, my favorite probably being the black, just to keep it simple. The brown isn't too bad, but I just don't know if I could see myself wearing a piece this loud. It has a lot of Supreme. I like the fact that it's simple on the front. At least it does give it that different flair. I even feel like if the logo on the back was an ARC logo, it would have looked a little bit smoother. It just looks big as shit on the back of this, and I'm really not fucking with it, not gonna lie to y'all. $328 is the retail on this piece if you guys are interested, but for me, this shit is not second to nothing, bruh. Second to none for real. We not about to cop this shit. We got the Terry Spell Out Camp Cap. This one comes in 4 colorways. It's not terrible. It just has Supreme literally everywhere on it. Like, I'm good on that. I feel like I have enough Supreme hats, or enough hats in general, to be able to skip on this one happily, you feel me? Like, if y'all going for this, the retail is $48. I'm pretty sure y'all wouldn't have no issue trying to cop that shit. But one that actually looks kind of clean is this Ralph Steadman hooded sweatshirt. This one comes in 5 colors, and honestly all of them are pretty clean to me. I love that olive color more than anything. That one looks fire. But even that red on purple, that coralish orangey color does look clean as well. I just love the colors that they use. The design on the back looks kind of playful but kind of deadly at the same time. It has the little splatters on it. It just has a different vibe than most of the shit that Supreme's been dropping lately. That's probably why I'm feeling it, and this olive color is what really brought me in. Let me know how y'all feel about the Ralph Steadman hooded sweatshirt. The branding isn't even that much. It literally just has it inside the teeth right there. Super subtle. I'm feeling that one. We got the dragon hooded long sleeve top. I'm assuming this is like a long sleeve shirt with a hood on it, because retail is $88 on this one, and this tan color isn't that bad, bro. Like, it's not terrible, you feel me? Honestly, I feel like this is one of those pieces that you'll wash a couple times and then after that it's over, bro. The fucking hood on this shit gonna become a whole sofa cover, bro. That shit gonna be loose as fuck. Let me know if y'all gonna be going for this though. Hey, if I were to cop it, I'd probably go for the tan or the black. Anything else besides that, you smoking it, bro. Like, I'm good on this one. The design ain't even strong, bro. Like, the design is mid for real. Next, we got the tonal paneled sweater. This one comes in 4 different colorways. My favorite probably being the blue. I like the way that it looks in general. We do got this clean, just knitted sweater almost. If I do have one gripe with it, I low-key would have preferred if the knit was going all one direction and just the Supreme was going sideways, if that makes sense. Maybe I'm being nitpicky, but hey, that's just my taste. I feel like this greenish, creamish, greenish color is not that bad. It almost looks like a walking in Central Park ass sweater. I don't know why. That's just the vibe I got from it, bro. The black literally just looks like a black Uniqlo sweater. Retail on this one is $138 if any of you guys are interested. Hey, yo. After that, we got the leather jacket. This one's retailing at $768, bro. Yes, $768 for the super leather coat. This is some hella Kanye shit right here. Kanye's new vibe, bro. The black one, this is some shit he'll wear with his rubber boots and shit. Let me know if y'all freaking with this one. Yes, sir. That's what this should look like right here. We about to sleep on that one. We got the leopard silky top. Let me know if y'all freaking with the leopard. It's a leopard. Let me know if y'all fucking with this one. This one comes in 4 different colorways. Honestly, if you buying this and it's not in the cheetah or black color, on top of that, there's a lot of questions that I'm asking in my head right now. We got the wash twill 6-panel. This shit is dookie, like straight cheeks, buns, bro, like straight buns out the oven. I'm good on that shit. We got the webbing belt, which I thought was gonna retail for like $90. Hey, I underestimated Supreme, bro. They dropped some shit for $28. That makes the belt not that bad. Like, low-key makes me want to grab this belt in black and gray just for the price. Shit almost feels like a bargain. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, bro. I thought this shit was gonna be $130. This shit is $30. Like, I fuck with that. I fuck with it. Hey, we got this soccer jersey. I don't know who's copping that shit. Just don't cop that shit, bro. Like, that shit is so mid. Like, it just don't make no sense. Then we got mid cuisine right here, bro. This is so terrible. Somebody said the brown one looked like the UPS outfit, bro. I'm good on this shit. 100% straight FedEx UPS vibes on all these pieces. It just don't make no sense. You literally got the summer uniform and then you got the winter uniform right here. Whatever you need is right here. These are retailing for over $100 each. Cause smoke a tip from the back, like dead ass. But yeah, this drop list is low-key hella small. We got like 16 items and I really think I want to just buy these tea cups so I can start sipping my tea on these releases, because it's looking kind of mid this week. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I'm not really enthused about anything releasing. Like, low-key I would force it if I go for anything tomorrow. I don't know if there's gonna be a live cop. Let me know if you guys have any video ideas, because I'm blank. I got some sneaker content coming out Friday, but I got nothing for Thursday. So let me know if y'all would like to see anything specific and I'll drop another vid for y'all. But yeah, man, that pretty much does it for this video. We got some middery coming out. This hoodie's not that bad in that olive color. Teacups are mid decent, you feel me? We got the last one jacket right here, the Terry spell out. Hey, it's looking ass, bro. Not gonna lie. Drop list number 7 is concluded, and the conclusion is save your money, my brother. Like, if you're not at least copping the set of teacups, just stop it. But yeah, man, that pretty much does it for this video. If y'all enjoyed, leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, bro. We on road to 20,000 subscribers and we're only gonna get there sooner if y'all show some love. And just like that, the vid is done, bro. I did my due diligence, you feel me? I finished what I had to finish. So show some love to the video down below. Leave a like on this one if y'all enjoyed. Let me know what you're gonna be copping in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, man. It definitely goes so far and it's so appreciated. Thank you guys for always coming back and supporting the videos. With all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.